Hi, my dear students. Welcome to my channel. NEET Biology Diagram Based Technical Term Part 7. Topic Anatomy of Flowering Plants. Important terms Abscission. Abscission is a process in which an organ is detached from a plant by means of physiological mechanism. The process of shedding of leaf, fruit or flower by a plant is called abscission. The shedding of plant pods take place by the formation of a special layer of cells called abscission layer within the region of attachment. The middle lamella between certain cell in this layer is often digested by polysaccharide hydrolyzing enzyme such as cellulase and pectinase. Certain other degenerative changes also occur, making the region soft and weak. The organ from the plant is then easily detached whenever there is a heavy rainfall or wind, etc. The abscission occurs due to the change in the hormonal balance. It has been observed that the abscission layer formation occurs rapidly when the auxin gradient becomes less, that is less auxin on distal side than the proximal side of the leaf, flower or fruit. The plant hormone like ethylene and abscisic acid promote the abscission. At high concentration of auxin prevent the formation of abscission layer. Another one anticlinal, perpendicular to the nearest surface of an organ. Annual ring, a ring of xylem in wood which indicates an annual increment of growth in trees growing in temperate region. The formation of secondary xylem is sharply affected by the environmental condition. During spring and summer, that is favorable season, cambium is more active and produces greater amount of wood. The wood is lighter in color and consists of a larger and wider xylem element. It is called spring wood or early wood. On the other hand, during winter and autumn, that is called unfavorable season, cambium is less active and produces less amount of wood. This wood is darker in color and consists of smaller and narrower xylem element with comparatively thicker wall. It is called autumn wood or late wood. The spring wood and autumn wood produced in 1 year together constitute the annual ring or growth ring. The transition from spring wood to autumn wood is an annual ring is gradual, but the transition from autumn wood to spring wood of the next year is sudden. Therefore, years of growth is quite distinct. The number of annual ring correspond to the approximate age of stem. Besides giving the age of a plant, the annual ring also give some clue about climatic condition of the fast through which the plant has passed. Annual rings are counted by increment borer. The science or determination of age of a tree by counting the number of annual ring is called dendrochronology. Another one, bifacial leaf. A leaf having structurally distinct upper and lower surface. So the leaf is called trachyventral or bifacial leaf. These leaves are oriented horizontally with distinct upper and lower surface because unequal illumination on the two sides. Most of the dichotomous leaves are trachyventral. Another one, bordered pit. A pit is a trachea or vessel member having a distinct rim of the cell wall overarching the pit membrane. The pits are formed in pair lying one against the other and appear circular, oval, angular in surface view. The pit are two types, simple and bordered. The simple pit has uniform width of the cavity or pit chamber, while in a bordered pit, the pit cavity is broader and towards base with the narrow opening. The pit has several submicroscopic pores for the translocation of substances. The area of the primary wall and middle lamella present in between a pair of it is called pit membrane or closing membrane. The pit membrane of bordered pit develops a swelling in the middle is called torus. Another one, Casparian strip, a band around each endodermal cell in which the radial and transverse cell wall are impregnated with suberin. It is the innermost layer of the cortex. It is made up of a single layer of barrel-shaped cell which do not enclose intracellular spaces. The endodermal cells are living and rich in starch grains. They possess characteristic bond of thickening along their radial and tangential wall. These are called Casparian bond or Casparian strips. The scientist after Caspary 1885. The Casparian strips are made up of suberin and lignin. The first discovered by Eso 1965. Casparian strips are prevent plasmolysis of endodermal cell and do not allow wall-to-wall movement of substances between cortex and pericycle. Another one, cutinization. Impregnation of cell wall with a substance called cutin. Epidermis is the outermost layer of the stem. It is made up of tangentially flattened, closely pitted parenchymatous cell which appear rectangular in a transverse section. The cells are transparent and devoid of chloroplast. The outer wall of the epidermal cell are thickened and cutinized. The cutin is usually form a distinct non-cellular layer on the outside called cuticle. At places the epidermis contains minute pore called stomata. Each stoma or stomata is guarded by two kidney-shaped guard cells. Another one, differentiation. Development change of a cell, tissue or organ leading to features that support the performance of specialized function. So the multicellular organisms are made up of organ system. They are formed by the cell division and cell differentiation. In the beginning, the newly formed cells are alike, but during maturation, they undergo structural changes by a process called morphological or physiological differentiation. Another one, heartwood. The central wood of old secondary stem that is plugged with resin and tyloses and is not active. The wood of many trees is distinguishable into two regions. The outer light colored and functional sapwood or alburamen, and the central darker and non-functional heartwood or duramen. The sapwood consists of recently formed xylem and serve for the conduction of sap in the plant. The heartwood is made up of older xylem and is no longer capable of conducting the sap. The vessel and tracheids of the heartwood get plugged by balloon-like ingrowth of the adjacent parenchyma cell into their cavities through pits. These ingrowths are called tyloses. Later on, the parenchyma cell become lignified and dead. The cell of heartwood also get filled with various type of plant products such as oil, resin, gum, tannin, etc. Another one, isobilateral leaf. A leaf having upper and lower surfaces and anatomy essentially similar. Isobilateral is also called equifacial leaf. These leaves are oriented in such a way the both surface of the leaves are equally exposed to the sunlight. Such leaves possess uniform structure on the both upper and lower surfaces. Most of the monocot leaves are isobilateral. Another one, isodiametric. Isodiametric cell having diameters equal in all directions as a ball is one of the seen in brachysclerates or stone cell. Unbranched isodiametric with the branch that is called ramiform pits. Example, growth of apple, pear and guava. Next one, leaf scare. Characteristic scare on stem axis made after leaf abscission. Another one, lignin, a polymeric substance formed by linking together molecule derived from coniferyl alcohol. Sclerenchyma is a simple permanent tissue of dead and highly thick-walled cell. The thickening of cell wall may be made up of cellulose, lignin, or both. Several unlignified or unthickened areas are called pits, often present on the wall. At maturity, these cells lose protoplasmic contents and become dead. Often the thickening in the cell is so much that central cavity is obliterated. Another one, lenticel, a structure of the bark that permits the passage of inward and outward. These are aerating pore in the bark of woody plants for the exchange of gases. The lenticel appear on the surface of the bark as raised scare containing oval or rounded depressions. The lenticel usually originate beneath the stomata of the original epidermis. In the region of a lenticel, the cork cambium, instead of producing cork, give rise to loose parenchymatous cells called complementary cell. These are thin-walled rounded cells which enclose intracellular spaces for gaseous exchange. The margin of the lenticel is surrounded and raised by the cork cell. In the plant or temperate region, the lenticel get closing during winter by the formation of compactly arranged closing cell over the complementary cell. This, however, get ruptured as the new season begins. Another one, pectin, a class of polymers of the cell wall that are built chiefly of partially oxidized sugar. Another one, plasmodesmata, fine protoplasmic strand connecting the protoplasm of adjacent cells. Next one, sapwood, peripheral wood of old secondary stem that actively transport the sap. The wood of many trees is distinguishable into two regions. The outer right colored and functional sapwood or albumen, and the central darker and non-functional heartwood or duramen. The sapwood consists of recently formed xylem and serve for the conduction of the sap in a plant. The heartwood is made up of older xylem and is no longer capable of conducting the sap. The xylem vessel and tracheids of the heartwood get plugged by balloon-like ingrowth of the adjacent parenchyma cell into their cavity through the pits. This ingrowth is called tylosis. Later, the parenchyma cell become lignified and dead. The cells of the heartwood also filled with various types of plant products such as oil, resin, gum, tannin, etc. They impart characteristics darker color to the heartwood and make wood stronger and durable than the sapwood. Another one, simple pit, a pit not surrounded by a overarching border. Pits are formed in pair lying one against the other. The appear is circular, oval or angular in surface view. The pits are two types, simple and bordered pits. A simple pit has a uniform width of the cavity or pit chamber, while in a bordered pit, the pit cavity is broader towards the base with a narrow opening. The pits have several submicroscopic pores for the translocation of substances. The area of the primary wall and middle lamella present in between the pair of pits is called pit membrane or closing membrane. The pit membrane of bordered pits developing a swelling in the middle is called torus. Another one, suberin, a waxy material found in cell wall or cork tissue and endodermis. Endodermis is the innermost layer of the cortex. Is made up of a single layer of barrel-shaped cell which do not enclose intracellular spaces. The endodermal cell living and rich in starch grain. They possess characteristic bond of thickening along their radial and tangential wall. They are called Casparian strips or Casparian band. was discovered by Caspary 1885. The Caspary strips are made up of suberin and lignin, was discovered by ASO 1965. Caspary strips prevent plasmolysis of endodermal cell and do not allow wall-to-wall movement of substances between cortex and pericycle. The cells of endodermis lying opposite to the protoxylem are thin-walled to permit free passage of water and mineral from cortex into the xylem. These are called passage cell. Next one, tylosis, plural tylosis, a growth of one cell into cavity of another. The vessel and tracheids of the heartwood get plugged by a balloon-like ingrowth of the adjacent parenchyma cell into their cavity through pits. These ingrowths are called tyloses. Later on, the parenchyma cell become lignified and dead. The cell of the heartwood also get filled with various type of plant products such as oil, resin, gum, tannin, etc. Next one, additional information. N. Grew, 1682, father of plant anatomy, coined the terms tissue and parenchyma. Another one, Nagli, 1858, gave the term meristem, xylem and phloem. Next one, Scleden, 1839, coined the term collenchyma. Next one, Cotting, 1839, discovered sieve tube. Methinium, 1805, discovered and gave the term sclerenchyma. Next one, Sanio, 1863, discovered and gave the term tracheid. Another one, angiosperm without vessel. The members of the family Winderaceae, Tetracendraceae, Trochodendraceae. Another one, gymnosperm with vessel. Members of the group Needtails. Another one, pteridophytes with vessel, occasionally in species Selaginella, Diopteris and Marsilia. Next one, endodermoid, endodermis of young stem when it lacks Casparian strips. Another one, knot, a wound or base of a fallen branch covered by the growth of second tissue around it. Another one, schizogenous cavity and lysogenous cavity. Cavity formed, schizogenous cavity means cavity formed by the separation of cell or enlargement of intracellular spaces. Lysogenous cavity, cavity formed from the degeneration of cells. Next one, most durable wood, teak, Tectona grandis. Another one, most durable softwood, example Citrus deodara. Another one, heaviest wood, Coicum avishnali, in an Indian Acacia sundra. Another one, lightest wood, Ochroma pyramidale.